Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other withdrawal from one of the website I shared with you in the one day ago or several days ago, and right now I want to share with you the withdrawal proof of that website. And this is another withdrawal proof of the website, and I will share a lot of withdrawal proof of the websites. Okay, today I will share with you the scam websites too and one mining website too. Okay, and this is the website. The minimum withdrawal is 50 satoshi. Okay, you can see the 50 satoshi. I got my 50 satoshi. Just I go to withdraw, just in Faucetpay. I put my wallet address before, just I type 50 cent. Okay, and you can see the minimum withdrawal is 50 cent. Just click withdraw sent to your Faucetpay account. Just I go to my Faucetpay account to show you if there was withdrawal I receive or not. Okay, just I come down few minutes after few minutes the reloading is finished because of my internet connection is right now is a little bit slowly. Okay, just I reload the page again. Okay, and now you can see I receive my withdrawal instantly in my Faucetpay without any seconds. Okay, and this is one of the best Faucet website to pay you instantly in your Faucetpay, and you can claim much more BTC apps from here too, and you can earn achievements too. And the link this link available in description, this website link, and you can claim your free cryptocurrency from here. You can participate in contests or referral contests and any contest you want. Just please referral my link. After I reach in this much referral link, I will share with you the giveaway. This is much more beats available in here, and I make a giveaway for you all. Okay, just be sure to join this website. This website pay you 100% your free cryptocurrency. Okay, now you can see this is the withdrawal proof. And thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning websites available in here. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye for now.